sound N like that. N. Ek. Neck. Say that word twice or 2 times. N. Ek. Neck. Giraffe has a long neck. Do you guys see the picture of giraffe? So do you guys see the giraffe has long neck? Hi guys, welcome to Nana and Resa Channel. Today I'm gonna teach you vowel E. Do you guys know what vowel E sound like? Yes, that's right. Vowel E sound eh. One more. One more. One more, okay? Eh. Yes, the word eh. Eh. So first I will teach you this word. First, when it starts with this, I will teach you with this word. But if you don't know what is this word called, you will not know what is this. This word is called too. You only know letter N, right? So E C K sound ek. Yes. Say it twice or 2 times. Like that. You can say twice or 2. Okay? But sometimes I call twice, sometimes I call 2. Okay? Sound ek. Words family. One more time. Ek. One more. Ek. So today we are going to start with the first one, the word neck. So I'm going to read it for you. N. N sound N like that. N. Ek. Neck. Say that word twice or 2 times. N. Ek. Neck. One more. N. Ek. Neck. So this is the word neck. Giraffe has a long neck. Do you guys see the picture of giraffe? So do you guys see the giraffe has long neck? And people have a short neck, like everybody like me too. Everybody in the whole kingdom. But giraffe has a long neck. So now this is the side one. My neck. Just joking, not excited. This is my neck. So this is giraffe has long neck. So we already do the first one. So let's go to the second one. The next one will be flag. Do you guys know the word flag? But if you want to know, you read this word 3 times for me. And when I say the word flag, you say the word flag 3 times. When I say 3 times, you say 3 times. Okay, now let's start. F. F sound F. L sound L. So F and L sound F. Do you guys know why they sound F? I will tell you. So F sound L, or F sound F, L sound L. If you plus it together like numbers, it's called F. Try doing this. F plus L sound F. Side train it. You can try say it fast and you will say F like that. Every letters like that. you plus it and you say fast, but not every. But this is not like that, okay? So that is sound fl. Ek, flack. Say it 3 times with me. Oh, I mean 2 times. Fl. Ek, flack. One more. Fl, ek, flack. This is the word. This is the picture of one ladybug. So do you guys know what is the ladybug for? The ladybug is for. Do you guys see the black dots on the ladybug? The black dot is called fleck. So that is called fleck. So even here, this is called fleck. The black one on my eyes, next to my eyes, that is called flecks too. So now you guys know that it's called fleck. Say the word fleck for me one more time. Fleck. Yes. Now we already do that. Now let's go to the third one. So the third one is pack. Like that. Now if you say it 2 times with me, I will teach you every time and every day. But not every day. Sometimes or some days. Like that. So pa. P sound pa. Pa. Ek, pack. Like that. Say with me 2 times more. Pa. Ek, pack. One more. Pa. Ek, pack. Do you guys see the chicken? She is pecking. She is pecking. She is a bird. She is pecking. So do you guys see she is pecking? Because birds always peck because they don't have hands. They have only mouth and wings and their bodies and legs. So they don't have hands. So they use their mouth to eat. They peck. Like that. Wait. So now let's go to the 4th one. Wait. Okay, let's go to the 4th one. So I already tell you when the other videos I already tell you CH sound what, guys? If you know it, tell me right now. Okay? This is ch. If you forget it, I will tell you. It's sound ch. Ch. Ek, check. Say it with me 2 times more. Ch, ek, check. One more. Ch, ek, check. First, when we go to the picture, the word check means the word checks when our teacher gives us homework to do at our home. So when we do it done, we don't put it in our bag. We let our mommy and daddy or somebody who know that, you let them check it. If it's right, you can put it in your bag for your teacher. If it's not correct, you can do it again. So this is the picture of check. It's called a mark or a check. This is a check. This is not a check. Like that. Like an X, not a check. That is the wrong. The X is the wrong. The check, like this, is the correct. So, say the word check with me. One more. Just one more. Ch, ek, check. Okay, this is the picture of check. I will let you know that. So, now let's go to the 5th one. Okay? The 5th one, that is the last one of the video. So B. Do you guys know letter B? Yes, I already teach you. B sound B. B. Egg bake. Say it with me 2 times more. B. Egg bake. One more. B. Egg bake. So do you guys know what is the word bake? Oh, the picture bake. That is a small river. But that is not a big river. Big river is here. Small one is like this. Big like this. Small here. Like that. But when we see the small one, it's a little big. Like that. So this is the picture. You see? That have 4 rocks over there. So do you guys already know that? Yes, you already know what is that picture. So that is the word back. So we are finished. So I have finished the video. I already teach you the word neck. Say with me one time. Neck. Okay. The second one, flag. Okay, say with me one more. Flag. Okay, the third one, pack. One more, pack. Okay, now let's go to the fourth one. Check. Say with me one more. Check. Okay, now let's go to the fifth one, back. 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 Okay, say with me one more. Back. 2 times more. Back. 2 more. One more. Back. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell button. See you next time, guys. Bye bye. Wait, before that, don't forget to like Nana and Resa page on Facebook. Okay, now let me say goodbye one more time. Goodbye, guys. Okay? Bye-bye.